Welcome to Builders Highway. My name is Eric Cederberg. We are here today with our latest consignment, this stunning 1972 Alfa Romeo 2000 GTV. So this Swedish sold car has an amazing history. The first owner had it for almost 37 years and spent 10 of the years restoring it to this condition you see today. It now has a ton of upgrades, among others from alcoholics, the wheels, yellow conies, the exhaust, interior, steering wheel, a ton of upgrades to make this a true driver's car. So I've been fortunate enough to drive this car quite a few miles now, and all I can say is, wow. And if it's your dream to drive a beautiful classic like this car, make sure to check out the auction, full detail list, and as always, good luck on the auction.